Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo, and if you want to see where your radiator fan resistor is located, how to replace it, we'll talk about symptoms. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. In some cases even maybe your air conditioner will not work, and we'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end, guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts to use for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So what is a radiator fan resistor and where it's located? We guys have a special video on our channel that talks about symptoms of bad radiator fan resistor. What are the symptoms of bad radiator fan resistor? But it's usually located on your radiator fan, right behind the radiator, and it detects the amount of hot air that comes to it. And when with heat, resistance increases, so practically when the resistance increases, it will send information to the engine computer, which will activate the fan in low or high speed. And if that resistor doesn't work, what can happen? Your car can start overheating, your AC may start working because the AC condenser, the radiator on the front will start getting hot. The AC pressure switch will detect that the pressure in the AC system increase because it's hot, and it will turn it off, guys. So where it's located? Right here. You can see that device here. We have only one screw that we need to remove with a 7mm socket. We will go ahead and pull it out. If you need to buy one, we will put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Now, if you want to see how to test the radiator fan resistor, I think we have a video on our main YouTube channel how to repair, guys. But if you want to know about the symptoms of bad radiator fan resistor and all about that, we have the video as well, so check it out. It will teach you very helpful information. We need to disconnect that connector by pulling that yellow thing out. Okay, that's a safety clip. Pull it more out. I think it needs more on the other side. Oh, and it came out. And this is your radiator fan resistor. That's how you guys remove it. So practically when it gets hot, resistance will increase. It will send information to the fan, the engine computer practically, and it will know, okay, if it's time to turn it on. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.